Hey guys, we're going to do another practice stroke today. And I know I've showed y'all stenciling before, but I want to show you this wreath stencil that all you have to do, this is on an IKEA pillow. And I just laid it down and I did 3 different colors. I did aqua, citrus green, and then I did some sap. All right. So I'm using stencil brushes. And I just want to show you that what I did was, it's just one whole wreath the way I design my stencils. And I do a lot of things to make it really easy. I'm going to show you the bee and all in just a minute. I have a couple of little spots which are easy because you can come right in here and put another leaf. But I just want to show you that I've got paper towel here, and I can come right in here, pick it up, and I'm going to go here and make a circle. All right, a little bit of the color, wipe it mostly off because the fabric's going to grab it. And right here where I dropped my brush, I think, and left a spot, I can come in there and it just added another green and took over and fix that. But I also wanted you to see that I can come out here and do, like right here, I can add out further. Like this is a really big pillow, so I can come way out here and add another lighter leaf out there and start stretching this design out a little bit more. So we can come in here. Let's see, another little green spray that would come out this way. Let's pull this down so you can see. I can put it right out here, but I can also put masking tape so it doesn't go and spread out too far. And there's smaller stencil brushes than this one, but I'm just doing a little bit of a few extra leaves. See how that just kind of takes it out a little bit more. All right, so you can extend it just like I just showed you. All right, then I was going to show you a bee. That's this bee, but I'm going to show you that this is my brand new stencil. All right, so I want to show you what happens with it. Now this one, I went right here and this whole area I did yellow. Then I pulled it off and made yellow the whole area. And then when that dried, I put this right back here and I did all the licorice right there. All right, now I'm not using fabric paint on this because it's a pillow or a tote or whatever. And then you're not going to wash it a ton, so it's fine. All right. So let me show you. I'm going to get another stencil brush. And this is one of the phrases that I have on my stencil, humble and kind, and I ombre it, okay? So I'm just going to show you the whole thing about the stencil as be kind. So you can put a B here next to the word kind, and I did multiple kinds. All right, let me put a piece of paper here so that you can see what I'm doing. All right. It needs to show through here and it's not showing through really good. So let me put it on here. Okay. So there you can see a little bit better. So be kind there, right there. All right. And here's 2 different kinds of bees. All right. And it is be grateful. You can put the little bumblebee first. You can flip over the bee so you have the bee going this way or this way. So let's come out from here and let me show you what we're going to do. This is just, I'm using 2 colors. I'm using licorice and white. All right. And so I could use a medium gray too, but the licorice and that worked really good. All right. So let's pull out the licorice. I thought I had it out. There we go. All right, I can also put some yellow ochre because I might put another bee in there for y'all to see. And this one I can put on t-shirts really easy and just put the big bee and put the word kind or grateful on there. And it makes just a really cute shirt. All right, so let's come right here because it'll be easy for me to show you. And let's put this bee down here. So I thought it'd be a cute little pillow to come in here. I'm gonna need another little brush because there we go. All right. So I'm going to, I need some white in here. So let's pull the white over here. And that will be ready for the wings. See a little bit of white in here. All right, so then I'm going to do a little bit of yellow ochre. We're losing a few little stencils. Bristles, can you see right here? We're making a circle with this. All right, so we're going to come right in here. And I can put some yellow too. So this is daffodil yellow and yellow ochre. Okay, so this is how I made my stencil. I'm going to come up from here. Now that's where the black is going to go. So what I'm going to do is take my small brush. All right, now let's come and cover this whole area, because in between here, where you don't see the yellow is where the yellow is going to go. The black's it's going to be the yellow. Hello. I'm not making any sense. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to put that there and let it dry for a few minutes. All right, and then we'll come back. So now what I want to do, I'm going to here's going to be the B, and I'm just going to put the word kind right here. Okay, now what's good is if you tape this down. All right, so I can tape right here so it doesn't move around, and I can tape again, but what I want to do is be able to lift it and see what it's looking like. Okay, so I'm going to try to, this is where the zipper is, so it's kind of bubbly looking. Let's turn it a little bit more and straighten it up. Okay, there we go. Now I put the dark on the bottom, and so let's do that again. There we go. Put a little bit of white, licorice, and we're kind of rubbing it off, but you can do that over on a paper towel too. So I'm making circles, or I'm going up and down on the line of the letter, or you can tap. Those are your options, depending on what size stencil brush you're using. So I can come right here. Okay, across, see, I pick a line right across there. Oh, I'm almost not showing it to you, am I? Okay, so let's go right along here. I scooted this a little bit, so I might have a little bit of a slide. That's okay. So now I'm going to pick up a little bit of white, and look, I'm going to take and ombre this. So right here is going to be the ombre. So make circles down to the black. Oops, oops, oops. I have a little bit of tape covering my K. Let's take that off. All right, so we're going to come right here, right here. Now there are breaks in the stencil, so you can choose to color those in or not. Look how good that is. All right, so really quick, it gives you, I wanted to use these different ones, the smaller kind, the B kind, grateful, and just move it around. So that's going to fill in the stencil wreath instead of having it just a regular smaller wreath on here. I just thought it'd be fun. So now I can go back here and I can see where my white is. You might not be able to see, but I can line this up, right? Now I am going to pick up a little bit of white with this gray, and I want the wings to show. Okay, now you can put detail in that wing if you want, but what I like to do is come here and brush white. Yeah, brush white over that a little bit. So these stencils are made so y'all can have fun doing this. All right, so now I'm going to come in here and I'm going to wipe off this yellow ochre, and I'm just going to pick up straight licorice. Now look, I'm going to come right here, rub it in so it's not going to bleed. And then I'm going to come right in here, tap it in here. And so there's the antennas. Oops. I want the two legs. I'm trying not to get that wing. Okay. Circle, circle, circle. This is a little small stencil brush for small detail. I'm going to tap it, tap it, tap it to get it right in here so it doesn't touch the wings. All right, here we go. Let's see. Yeah, look how good that is. Now, see, that was not a lot of work, and it really quickly has a bee that's harder to do if you try to hand paint it. All right, so there we go. Lots of words. I'm going to keep working on it, but look how fun that is. So I think I have a bee there, maybe a different bee up there, or maybe I can turn the bee coming down at the top. But look, there we are. It is a 20 by 20. There you go. 20 by 20 with this fun stencils, brand new. You can call 352-394-7344 and grab this new stencil hot off the press. And look how fun it's going to be. I'm going to just do Be Kind t-shirts and totes and the big fat bumblebee. Look how fun he is. And you can do them either side. So you can do a mama bee and a baby bee. So there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed this today. Hope it inspired you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.